Today we have came up with a great video, and here we will talk to you about a trading strategy through which you can trade from the market at any time and bring out the profit even when there is no movement in the market. So today's video will take your trading much further without any hesitation. So be sure to watch this video carefully. Then you will understand why this video is important for you. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. You may know that the market is usually in two positions. The first one is the trending position and the second one is the ranging position. There is movement in the market in trending position, and so it's easy to make profit at this time. But sadly the market is in trending position only 30% of the time, and the remaining 70% of the time is in the ranging position, and it's very difficult to make a profit in this ranging position because the market is in a range at such a moment. And the biggest thing is that the indicator we use at this time give false signal. So trading at this time is a risky trading. But since most of the time the market is in a ranging position, so we have to learn how to trade at this time. And knowing this thing is a big deal, but it's very difficult to make a profit in such a moment. That's why we bought today's video. I hope you will find it useful. But for this you have to watch the video carefully till the end, and definitely you have to practice it in the demo account. It's not easy to understand when the market is in a ranging. As you can see here, the market was in a range, but we can easily see it as soon as the market is fully formed. But at the beginning it's difficult to understand whether the market will be in the range or in a trending. That's why we will show you a very simple system to find out. When the market is trending, the market moves a lot. As you can see here, the market has gone up a lot. First it has gone up from here, then it has gone down, and then it has gone up again, but it broke the higher high here and then it went up. Then after a while the market went down again, but when it went up it broke up the previous higher high that it had created earlier, just like before. So we can see that the market is in a trend. In this way the market is rising by creating higher high and higher low, and since every time the market breaks the previous higher high and goes up, we can assure that it is on uptrend. Then you can see that the market first went down from the top, then turned up again. After going some distance the market turned and went down again, but this time the market could not break the previous high. Then he went down and turned around again, but this time he could not break his previous high. Touching here the market has gone down again. There used to be a market where market break his higher high and goes up, but now market can't do it. So it can be said that the market is in a range. Then you can see another chart here. Surely you understand that it's in a downtrend because every time the market breaks the previous lower low and gone further down. This is exactly how the market is in its trend, but the market could not create a lower low. As you can see here, the market has gone down from the top, but the lower low could not break, and the market has gone up again. Then it went down again, but this time it came back in the same way. Here it can be said that the market is in a range. So in order to trade from here, we have to find out the key level and need to set up support and resistance. That means we have to draw support and resistance to the key level which the market is pushing. So by drawing we can find out the range area and we can find out our trending zone. So by drawing this you can find out the key level. However, it's important to find out the key level so that you can find out ranging market. So when the market takes a position like this, you can see in this chart that the market was uptrend for a long time and went up a lot, then went down from this place, then after going down for a while the market went up just like before, but at this key level it went down like before, but by touching this key level it's went down. Market can't break up this key level, so the market goes down, then it came to this key level and from here it push up again. So it's expected that the market will go up to the key level and then turn around and go down again. So how do we understand from here? As you can see, the market here is in a range. This is because we saw in the trending market that market broke the previous higher high while rising and created another higher high. But we can see here the market is not able to break out the previous high and there is a range in it. So it's called ranging market. So it's in a range. We expect that the market go down again from the top key level. level. So let's see which way the market goes. Now you can see exactly from key level the market has gone down. This is how you can get an entry from the ranging market. It's very important to learn because most of the time in the market is in a ranging position. So if you learn it, it will be easier for you to take entry from market at any time. Many times the market is in a very short range, then it's called narrow range. At that moment the candle is very small and the range is very small. So if you trade, then you have to analyze very strongly, or it's better not to take entry in narrow range market. Again, when the market shift from trending to ranging, you will draw a key level. Draw support and resistance at the point where the market is pushing up or pushing down and trade from there. Now I will tell you in which time frame to trade. Before that, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's see the rest video. You can use almost any time frame to follow this, but it's better to trade in higher time frame like 1 hour, 4 hour or 1 time frame you can use for trading. Then you will get good feedback. But of course practice well in the demo first. Many people understand that there is no alternative to demo for learning any strategy. So those who understand must do practice in demo, or those who don't understand the importance of demo trading, they should do practice in demo believing in us. Another thing is that many of you may follow many strategy. So which strategy is better from your point of view? So far we have shared many strategies. Which of them do you like best, or which one you are using and doing profit? Please let us know by commenting. Then we will share many more important things about your strategy. So this is our today's video. Hopefully you can understand. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.